no smoke without fire. News are about Karim Zito future with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And Yan say no creba ko kreni na Kotoko ya nsi no agiatum. They've reached an agreement say Asante Kotoko Sadachi Biano Karim Zito niwa. The next person to be Asante Kotoko head coach, should be a foreign coach. This is an agreement reached at the top hierarchy of Asante Kotoko IMC. This follows after thorough assessment of Asante Kotoko first round, how it has gone after the year 2025. Ebe we say Karim Zito ebe so abra coach of Benfo Prosper Ogum Nati Yejan Kwine in April and Coach Prosper Ogum Kwine na me ka say no in the same month and they appointed Karim Zito obekaya initially Oba Asante Kotoko as technical director who is taken as interim coach of Asante Kotoko. Zeno nyoma besesa ma Karim Zito ebeye the main Asante Kotoko coach not too long ago. 2025 remember we na Kotoko company for decided say on man contract of 2 years. I say 2 years no. First year na dey say ye facing offer and now the penifo of Kumasi Asante Kotoko has decided say in the future they will be turning to a white coach. Details and more me de ebro nkomodie ashase about this particular news me de ebro na nyerese e wo na news na bakọ bibi ene koka bibi ema bibi ekoka bibi ema news no eba bonten. Now yetete Finland yetete German coach na based on information a me mensa aka no ehun tiremu ena me de ebro about nkomodie na ekoso no e likely say Asante Kotoko be appoint technical director a oyebroni enkyere say ko Zito eko wamenka na menkyerem me de kyeremu no nyina no ebebro me pacho unsubscribe ya no wa hit the rest subscribe button no so na wa ba adoma no so na ya build it together information bebre wo biase nkomodie no so ekoso e wa Asante Kotoko reaction which is 0247 107260 0247 107260 o sapia yero beto so na afi Asante Kotoko reaction no wa enjoy nkomodie e fa Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho ni nyina no e wo ho me pa cho join the CC ana memfa wo to so before I go deep into Kumasi Asante Kotoko foreign coaching in common sense no there is an update here I was say me de ma one said Emmanuel Kote unya a similar injury to Intimenu injury no. Emmanuel Kote decided to obey surgery. After Emmanuel Kote koye ni surgery no, in less than 1 year, it was expected say nka obeko of more than 1 year, but in less than 1 year, Emmanuel Kote aba park so obobo. Kotoko ene eyi football Legon Stadium no. If my memory serves me right, mo be kai me a Intimenu injury no. It was against the MTN FA Cup a ball no Legon Sports Stadium. And Upraye. Now Upraye no. Zeno. Owe sa time na Upraye no be sina. It is getting to 6 months so you want next season e be bury in you want say Upra August September. And I say July August and Upra. To say you want say August, September, October, November, December, you read January. Means you find out the 5 months cry do. Intimenu atna wa one question surgery no. And na ebibiduro was a player no. Ade we ma menye some explanation here. Doctors no, it is part of a code of ethics. Me and me gina hai and I say wa wo hwe me say bibi to eye wo na bibia to no una obe issue authorization say me nan magiatum munye surgery so sana doctors mra ne tie there is confidentiality no timnin timim for so player say chinchina you say on the event say and only a life and death ɛno na ɛyɛ exceptional but bibi injury bi ɛyɛ nipa na ade na ato no o na decide sɛ ɛyɛ momfa sekan kame anaasɛ munye sei nti wodi tuma na yɛayɛ player ni praye no in the last 4-5 months na adwi nyinaa yɛ de sɛ ɔbɛyɛ bibiduro but abibiduro no I believe in herbal medicine ɛyɛ powerful ya haban no na mmom no te sɛ ne nimdeɛ aba yɛsua adeɛ kɔ yɛnim enti ade nti na nka dadaada nka woyɛ surgery na ka by this time ka wo nan no kra no you have reached half of the process to recover. And now me know ka say no and finally decision abeto dwa say nti manu agya to so be surgery no obey surgery no it won't say we no kra no I said delay the recovery no so ko surgery ne dia what it means is season second round once the Kotoko'S registered players ni bi nti still na ya register no ba kote or returning ko surgery or returning nti players ne dia I don't know sometimes you can see players are so na ebi ani won't be force no justice blaze so sa tama no wo no nyoba bu wo na wo say the second but players ni be prefer say oh high treatment herbal treatment ye be chechere ye be say nyina no yetete na nanom no obo chechere ye but say nim de na ekonanim so imde no konanim we are in a scientific world ni nyina no so eye nyankopon nim de o de ama doctors o de ma ye nananom no ene ye apply finally inti manu agya to so obey surgery no ye be wish no all the best inti me sure say enche ogun say pictures of the surgery na the news na be babon tin say final obey surgery no now Asante Kotoko ayo ma bin say omo ebe appointed a foreign coach sa dachi bia no carry Zito ne ho bioma they are going to turn to a foreign manager enumti incommodie ashase with the intention say currently Kotoko no was carry Zito na head coach you need technical director bia even though say Malik Jaber is part or no the or observation here but as professional technical directorate and kasane bi ni ho nti Kotoko ayi mo adwen say sir Karim Zito ni ho sisia anase da achi bia Karim Zito e decide say contract be we on Kotoko ntoa so ana wanya offer anase Kotoko na decide say e betwa contract mo a the next Kotoko manager should be a foreigner because we have local market na obi ani ho ba bia ompese Kotoko ye de kono ba bia ani ho enti omay bin say omo ahase edi nkomo technical director na technical director ne be ye broni enti so ye broni a na da achi bia na Karim Zito ni ho a sa technical director ne betima be je adwuma na ya na say technical director ne be recommend ne yonku broni no abeso Kotoko adwuma no na Kotoko nya broni coach information is sa na meeting enkyere say yakoma Karim Zito you ultimatum say second round ni so we win matches bi e be sake no eno ni but nkomo ni nyina no e na mabonneto fa ma